Greetings, I'm TK, and welcome back to day 2 of NAB 2023. We're here at the Film Devices booth with Ken. And we're going to go over some of the new things he's got going on. So Ken, how are you doing today?
Doing great, and thank you for having me.
Lovely, man, lovely. So walk us over some of the new things you've got going on. I know we talked about some of this earlier.
One of our new items is a slide out. So locks in place and snaps out, slides down, and it's available for Zoom, Sonosax, whatever else you can fit on there. Available for the medium and large rack and bags. This is the engineering. A lot of engineering has gone into this. It looks simple, but to get something to tilt and slide is actually takes quite a bit.
Okay, excellent.
We're also integrating DT now on all our systems if people would like that. What's really wonderful about this DT system now is because it has two inputs, you can put dual batteries and have hot swappable, and this is one of the tiers to the rack and bag. That's a large tier, and this is a medium one. What's cool about this one is you can have a battery inside the rack and bag, and you can plug this also into shore power. So now you can take your rack and bag once you're on location, just plug it into into a power supply, and you won't have to worry about batteries.
So you've got this set up now, so where people have a couple options based on how they'd work essentially.
Yeah.
Hot swappable options for your plates here.
Yeah.
And then USB power.
Yeah, and all our systems have a. This is what makes one of our lovely things are the slide-in batteries. So.
Quick insert, quick.
Yeah, fast one-handed operation. And so very kind of modular and easy. The main thing's that easy. You don't have to grab the battery and then pull the battery cup off. You just slide it right into the sled.
Motion for sure.
Yeah.
Anything to help the sound mixer in the workflow.
Now coming over here, this is my personal unit. I've integrated the Studio Logic, and it's really slick because you can drop it down, then you can close the whole thing. And as you can see, it's nice and interactive. There's a little latency there. And plus you can put a keypad in. So it's like a little studio in one. I'm using a DSR-4 there, which gives me 4 channels of receiver, camera hops, just about everything. It's kind of a little mini studio. But one of the other lovely things is we've incorporated Betso antennas. So we have a mounting system. And as you can see, if we take them and we can actually fold them up.
Very nice.
We can fold them up, and you can actually have your Betso antennas stay on permanently, and they deploy in seconds. So whenever you're ready for them, they just pop out.
Yeah.
Give them a little tightening, and you got your antennas.
Lovely. So this folds up like a little lunchbox.
Yeah, exactly.
Very slick.
Yeah. So.
And then the Kantar, we now have a Kantar Mini.
Yeah, this is the newest version. This is the A box that comes with the Kantar, and it breaks away, and it stores right there underneath it.
Lovely.
Okay, so it'll store right beside there, and then you just put your A box on. And right under here is where it stores, under that strip. I don't have it connected right now. Then you can put your radios, options of what you want. This is a 3-tier model. We have them as a 2-tier model also.
Okay.
And once again, you can put the Betso antennas. You can incorporate an iPad into it.
Okay, and just as we saw on the previous model.
Yes.
And then the sliding shelf if you want it, right?
No sliding shelf for that.
No? Okay.
No, this has already got the mixer built in.
TBD.
You got your
well, maybe for a keyboard or something.
Yeah, but we don't.
Is there anything that fits the Scorpio?
Yes, we actually do have a Scorpio setup.
Yeah.
This is the large. This is also available with the new pull-out shelf, correct?
Yes, it is.
So you can get the large or the medium with the new pull-out shelf as well. So this would be Scorpio.
So, and then latest addition in our family is called the Piggyback. And it's super light, really simple. It doesn't even come with a bag. And I'll show it to you how it comes with a battery sled, a little distro with 2 outputs, one for your radio and one for your Mix Pre or your F8.
Okay.
And so I'll show you that over here.
We have a loaded version.
We have a loaded version right here. And so there's your radio, battery. With this little system, you can put a DSR-4 in here or other 4-channel system and have 4 channels of radio, 4 channels of input, everything ready to go. And it's a tiny little package. It can be used as a standalone for small production, or you can use it as your backup unit.
Very nice. So yeah, it's just a nice little example of a piggyback for small setups.
Yeah, and if you're worried about this, we're going to get a little piece of foam that goes on here.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
We'll
that's
put a little
something-
foam. We'll put a little foam on this thing so it doesn't hurt your belly.
Yeah, that's something to note there.
Yeah.
Okay, then is there anything else? I think
Sure,
you
let's
had
go
one
over
more
here.
thing that was pretty.
We're moving along here.
Yeah.
So the big announcement of the show is that I built this cart for myself, and everybody loves it, but I don't want to build carts. It's too much custom stuff.
Totally.
So what I decided to do was to make a kit so that you can make your own cart.
Okay.
And
Would you start with the integration?
Sure. Well, what's available for all our systems are a docking system. So these are already available and they fit all our systems. So you can move your rack and bag on and off a cart basically instantly. And this takes a few turns and
your back
it's
is
locked
secure.
solid. It's secure. So the docking system is universal.
Mm-hmm.
The parts we're going to make for the cart, we're going to make a telescopic headphone holder. We're going to make a set of handles. And these handles are really nice because with these handles you can take your boom pole out without having to lift it over.
Right, you're not trapped inside of the
we're
cart.
not trapped in the car, so we don't have it. Most of the cars I've seen have a solid bar going across.
Right, yeah, that is a popular
Yeah.
design.
Yeah, and then there's with the wheels, you can lay it on its side and wheel it into your van or whatever.
Totally. And then the hooks, is right?
This is these are the hooks we're going to make. They're 5 position. They snap into position in 5 directions, and everything will be going into the T-slot channels or profiles. So people can buy some T channel, cut it to length, build their cart however dimensionally they want, and we give you the parts that you can't find. The other part we're going to offer are a 16-inch wheels and a axle kit. It won't look like this. It'll look a little different, but you'll be able to get 2 wheels. So what we're going to be able to sell you are 4 components that make up a cart. So you'll get the headphone holder, handles,
Hooks.
cable hook, wheels, and then just add your own profiles and you got yourself a cart. And just have fun. It's the Tinker Toy, the Erector set kind of a thing.
That's really exciting.
Yeah.
That's really exciting.
The card parts should be available in 2 to 3 months. Everything else you've seen is available right now. And there's one more item is our cables. We've had these for a while. We keep adding more to them, but they're designed to fit the sound bag or our rack and bag. So it doesn't matter what you have, but it gives you short lengths, so you get rid of that spaghetti nest in there.
Any of the extra? Okay,
Yeah.
lovely to know. So we can get cables, shelves. All this is currently available except for the new cart kits. This will be coming in the next 2 or 3 months. So if you're interested, make sure you give us a shout. Make sure you look out Film Devices on their website as well, respectively. And we'll see you soon. Check us on the next stream. Thanks.